So Bai, can you tell me where we're going? To Wagah border. And what is the Wagah border?
It is the border between India and Pakistan.
Is the border between Pakistan, one of the borders between
Pakistan and
well, one
India.
of the entrances, let's just say, between Pakistan and
India.
India.
Yeah.
On the Pakistani side, we're in Lahore. On the Indian side, it's Amritsar.
Yeah.
They have the flags up, so they have the ceremony every sunset when they take both flags down at the same time. And around this, they've made an entire event, which is the ceremony of the Wagah border.
from the bombing.
Yeah, we're a bit late. Bete, Choti Baji. VIP treatment, right?
Yeah.
Why? The entire family.
Yeah, it's in one car. Finally.
We actually
We had to walk another. So weekend, and it's
yeah, I don't
holiday time.
remember it being so packed
Yes.
when I was here last time. I think we were here on a Wednesday or something.
Okay.
I can read that says Bab Azadi. No, don't ruin it. I was gonna read it. They're so tall, all of them.
They're always Sebastian.
They're letting us come in through another entrance. I feel like such a VIP, like they're just letting us in. They're cheering us.
अभी हम ये मरतबा पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद का नाम करते हैं। पाकिस्तान 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 जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद।
there's a female ranger as well.
Yes.
That's good. And the Indians. And just like so we're just sitting like 30 meters from the Indians. They're right here. Now they're closing, yeah. So now they're closing this gate and the Indian gate as well, and now nobody can come through. Well done.
We were a bit late, but then now they've told the people sitting on the stairs to sit down, and the people sitting on the chairs can get up. And if someone wants to go and take a picture with them,
okay. So we can go take photos. This is the Pakistani side. So all the Indians are sitting there. You can see them from here. Yeah, so close. So cute. It's like the paperwork is complicated, but it's so easy to go through the paperwork.
No ticket.
So it will take like how long to get a visa for you, like Pakistanis?
It will take a long time.
Did you like the ceremony?
Yes.
How did it make you feel? Acha, bahut acha, bahut acha, or excellent?
Excellent.
So I think they're rebuilding that, the Indian part. Photo.
Yeah, this thing.
The chain is the line.
Cross the line. It's the no man's land.
Oh, that's the no man's land?
And then they have the fence over there.
Oh, this is souvenir shop now.
Yes.
Jaldi
They
kare.
have souvenir shop also.
Ceremony के बाद chilling करेंगे.
Yeah.
हाँ.
And then we're gonna go home. Then we're gonna go to Anarkali.
Yeah. So many people every day. Maybe a little bit more on the weekends, but it's always full. The entrance. Some pictures. Everybody's coming out here. That is where the border is. Do you like it? Good. Rafe, I thought this is usually at sunset. The sun is not yet setting.
Yeah, they just do it before sunset so when people can leave before sunset.
Okay.
Who wants it?
एक और फोटो लेंगे.
एक और
एक और फोटो लेंगे.
हमारी रोला पड़ा हुआ था आपका मुझे भी इनका करूँ मिला
Look at that.
Ah.
So this is the
What is this?
map of Pakistan.
Look, there's Karachi.
That's the Ali Jinnah Mausoleum. We were there. We were there, Qaid Azam Mausoleum.
You can see the Faisal Masjid.
Oh, the Faisal Masjid. I can see
And the
that's
Minar of
Islamabad.
Pakistan right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's Punjab. There's 4. I think I said this before. Punjab is Panch Ab. Panch means 5. Ab in Persian means water.
Pani, yeah. We're going
Pani.
to the souvenir shop.
And so
Bye,
Punjab.
bye, small
So
Pakistan.
Punjab is called Punjab because there are 5 main rivers that
Yeah,
flow through
the
it.
4 rivers and
And you
there's
can actually see it there, and then they all come together in the Indus River. Very interesting.
Bye bye.
This I think is new. They didn't have this last time, did they? How often have you been here since I was here?
No, it's been a time. It's been a while.
Like a few years?
Yes. I think 6 years.
6 years. So we were here 10 years ago, and then the next time we came was 6 years ago.
Yeah.
So it's inaugurated 2011. So that was after we were here. We were here 2000. So it was in 2011 it came,
Yeah, I think.
and we were here 2007.
7.
6, 7. Yeah. It's still 2016. We were here 2006. Wait, is it New Year's Eve today?
Yeah.
Is it 31st today?
Yeah. So that's the reason we're going to Bistro.
Oh, it's 2016. It's last day of 2016 today. It's New Year's Eve.
Yeah, you came in 2006 and you went back in 2007.
Exactly, yeah.
This is last day for 2016.
Yeah. Did you know it's New Year's Eve today?
Yeah, I'm going with my friends.
Oh, I didn't know. I forgot it was New Year's Eve.
You came in 2016 and you will leave in
2017, yeah.
1 year.
1 year.
I'll be with my friends and I'm going to a place where 5 hours back.
Oh, okay.
I'll meet you at the breakfast.
Okay. I'm so happy there's also women in the military now. Lady Rangers and everything. I'm so happy there was not... What?
You can ask them a question.
Can I ask them a question?
Yeah.
I don't know what to ask them.
Don't be shy.
Souvenir shop.
ये कदम बिलाल है
Oh no,
पीछे हटो.
far away or
It's close by. Cool, yeah, now it's soon gonna be dark. And Anarkali. You coming to Anarkali?
Yeah.
Cool. And then we're gonna go to Anarkali.
I think only the girls.
Up Anarkali ko jayenge.
I don't think. I think only the girls.
No, I think also Little Fateh. There's a road here. There's a road here.
No,
And then it
like,
says,
you can't
"Welcome to
go on your
Pakistan."
Private cars, but like yes,
You can't drive through. Yeah.
And yeah, and then you can like hire a coaster or something or a bus.
And it should said, "Aapka swagat hai Pakistan ko," right? Because that's Hindi.
Yeah. I'm going to Anarkali.
Are you?
And I'll come home with you guys. And me? The one who is going to Anarkali will come home with you.
Okay. Very good photo. Very good. Shabash, bahut acha. Jeeve jeeve Pakistan. Cake. Cake. Who made the cake? कौन केक बनाऊंगा? बनाए वो केक बना रहे.
किसने केक बनाया?
My nickname is Cake Eater. Yes.
Thank you for watching. If you want to see the playlist and other videos, it's all in the description box. Subscribe and leave questions in the comment section because I might make a Q&A video when I'm done uploading all the Pakistan vlogs.